one-day walking tour of Ho Chi Minh City, unveiling the magic of Saigon. Welcome to the free one-day self-guided walking tour of Ho Chi Minh City, where the magic of Saigon comes alive. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture, rich history, and extraordinary attractions of this bustling metropolis. From the peaceful Tao Dan Park to the lively Ben Thanh night market, this tour offers a vivid portrait of Vietnamese daily life, filled with diverse sights, sounds, tastes, and smells. Every time I do this walking tour, by myself, or with visiting family and friends, Ho Chi Minh City continues to delight, amaze, and astound me. It is truly one of my favorite cities in the world. This hand-curated walking tour of Ho Chi Minh's District 1 will take you to some of the most popular sites around downtown Saigon, provide an excellent introduction to the city's history, and offer plenty of opportunities to soak up the unique mix of chaos and tranquility that is modern-day Saigon. For more information on how to do this free walking tour, click the link in the description and comments below. Start your adventure in Saigon today.